Damn. Kind of frizzy. What's going on, guys? Just got back from Elite Tuner and it's pretty fun. It's pretty fun things that I did in Elite Tuner. Well, all the preparation and stuff like that for Elite Tuner is actually fun and a lot of learning experience. So I had a car sitting a little bit wobbly. Not wobbly, but like a little bit wrinkly, because while I was out there, I actually broke my splitter. Well, the second lip, the one that I stacked twice, and I lost my Unity Performance side markers because I hit a bump and it just exploded. Just exploded out the street, and I can't find it anymore. I tried finding it yesterday, but you know, it was a goner, so I can't do nothing about that. And my tabs on my Civic right here, over here, are broken. So what I need to do now is install some quick release latches in here. I'm not sure where to place them yet, since there's no video on actually putting quick release tabs on these gens. Probably gonna be the first one making a video for this. So I'm gonna go through with you guys on how to install some quick release latches from Amazon. Who owns these? These are the quick release latches. Just press it. Ooh, that thing rolled. So you have these. These are the latches. Or that's the latch. I think this is the latch.
Are you stupid or something?
So we got the stick right here. Bam. And then you have the latch right here. So basically, this is gonna be on your frame, and this is gonna be on your bumper. And you put it in, and boom, it's already attached. No need no clips, no need no nothing. So I might. Nah, I don't think so. I'll probably keep the silver, just because it's gonna be matching the silver lip. And yeah, so these are the things that we're gonna be installing. Don't mind the bing bong, please. I'm gonna keep bing bonging myself.
What do you want to tell Joe Biden right now? Bing bong.
We're gonna be installing this. I just don't know. I just gotta do the placements. So this is what you need: a toothpaste, and you're gonna need a drill, and you're gonna need the correct size drill bit for this project. Ooh, that thing fell. Okay, let's put it down. We'll see. So yeah. Okay, so quick thing before I continue this video, I'm actually doing a giveaway on my Instagram, so go check out my Instagram. It's not your FK7. I'm giving away a Sudsbox kit, and I'll be giving away one of my shirts that I might be making in the future. I don't know yet. They're gonna be a test run, but you're probably gonna be the first one to have my shirt out. So yeah. So the giveaway is still going on, guys, so go ahead on my Instagram. The instruction is right there, and yeah, hopefully you guys continue watching this video, because I am so tired right now. I don't know anymore, so we're back. Yeah. And let's do it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is cutting the zip ties that I put on. It says to hold it on, and dang, it's dirty, and I just chipped the paint. All right. So you can see there's a bolt right here that I actually can remove. I don't want to remove that, and we can install the quick release tab over there and just put it right here on the side. Hopefully it fits. Kind of fits. Oh, okay. Kind of fits. Like right here in the bottom. Not too shabby. Just put it on, see where it is, and it's about here, so it kind of fits right there. Remove it, boom, and we're good too. There's a bolt right there, well, not a bolt, a screw that I can remove and probably test fit it. We can remove that and see how well fitted it is gonna be, and yeah, we can do it. Okay, so unfortunately we had to drill the screw hole right here to see how long we can do, because there's a clip right behind here. Can I pop it off? I don't think I can. Maybe I can. Sideways. Yeah, So it's a clip that I can probably drill out. For this use, I'm going to try and drill with a 3/16, since from my eye, same diameter as the little stud that we're gonna be using. So I'm gonna be drilling. Please not fulfill. Okay, so 3/16 is not good. So there's a quarter. I'll be drilling a quarter right here. Up. Can't even take it out. So, you really want to see how large I did it? Okay. So if you can't see this, I'm gonna take a picture. I'm probably gonna put a picture right here, right now. So yes, I did use this as the measurement. So it's perfect. Fits really good. Do whatever I need. This one is literally perfect for the size, and it hits right here perfectly. So I just gotta figure out how I'm going to mount this in here to there, like good, basically. So since I drilled a quarter, I'm gonna drill a quarter, see if it fits. Nope, it's too big. God dang. So it's actually 10 millimeters. So these are 10 mil. Should be grabbing that. Yes, perfect. 10 mil. It's literally fit. Not moving anywhere. So as you can see, we got the stud in. Not sure if you can see the one in the inside. Little bolt right there. There's no flash, but try to focus. Right there, the bolt is right there. So it's behind the clip and it's still secure. So it's not really moving that much, but it's good. So what we're going to do is put toothpaste in the end of this, and then we're gonna mark it right here on the bumper, and we're going to drill the bumper. See how this is gonna fit. And then I have these tools where you're gonna put basically to start you off from drilling. Also, you need a step drill or a step drill bit. I'm sorry. If you don't have any step drill bit, just to let you know that you can use a regular bit. This is gonna take a while because you have to drill to whichever size it is. And most likely, it's not gonna be as wide as the step drill. So yeah, I recommend getting a step drill. It should be fine. Right there, the bumper wall. So now you have the bumper off. I made this more metal, but I use it to anything, to be honest. Helps me, helps you, helps everybody. So I can see where to drill the hole. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a dent, a slight dent in there. So it's gonna be right here. So it's a slight dent on the paint. So that's where I'm going to be drilling and marking up this one. So yeah, let's get started. The size is going to be the second to the last one. So it's 13/16. So the size of this is 13/16. And the drill. And I don't think it goes that far. Maybe drill a bit, but we managed to get it. RIP. There you go. See? Quick release tab is now installed, not going anywhere until you pop it out. Bang. And that releases, and just put it in. So, looks bueno. So it looks good. Tapped in. Might need to adjust it a little bit more in. Not quite sure, or might be a little bit more out. The fitment, decent. You know, boom, pop out, pop it back in. Same thing. Holds good actually, and doesn't look bad. Looks like an extension. Let's see. So you'll barely notice it. As you can see. Booyah! So got this installed first quick release tab, and I'm happy that I actually installed this since I need it for all of you guys static. And look at the fitment right here. There's no fitment. You can't see. I might be rubbing. That's why I don't do full locks. I'll be doing like 3/4 or something. So that's fine. Yeah. So got this installed. I'm probably going to be ordering the Unity side markers soon. I actually hit my paint really bad, and this time I'm going to be putting heavy 3M tape, double-sided tape, before installing the side markers, since I don't want to be flying off again. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna be finishing the other side. That's gonna be all for today. This is a quick install. Don't want to make it longer. I'm super happy that I'm actually making this video. Some people have been asking me how to install quick release tabs on their Civic, and nobody has it. So hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.